Be honest with me for a second. You slept 7, maybe even 8 hours last night, but you woke up feeling dead. Not sleepy, not lazy, just tired. And the worst part, you immediately blame yourself. Maybe I need more sleep. Maybe I'm just unmotivated. But what if I told you sleep isn't the problem? This was literally me last year. School, assignments, late night scrolling. I'd go to bed early, proud of myself, then wake up exhausted again. I thought something was wrong with me. Turns out I was leaking energy all day without realizing it, and chances are you are too. Let me show you why. Here's the biggest lie we're told. If you're tired, just sleep more. Sleep doesn't create energy. It restores what you didn't waste properly. Think of energy like money. Sleep is your paycheck, but your daily habits, those are your expenses. If you're spending wakelessly, no paycheck is enough, and most students are burning energy on things that don't even matter. Quick question. What's the first thing you do after waking up? Be honest. Your phone. Notifications, messages, short videos, drama you didn't ask for. That hit of dopamine feels small, but it's expensive. When you start your day reacting, your brain never fully wakes up. You feel on but not energized. That's why mornings feel rushed and afternoons feel heavy. Tiny pause here. This is fixable. Tomorrow morning, don't change your wake-up time. Don't add a crazy routine. Just do this. No phone for the first 20 minutes. Stretch. Wash your face. Sit quietly. Look out a window. It feels boring. That's the point. Here's something no one tells students. You're not tired because you're doing too much. You're tired because you're overstimulated. Constant videos, music while studying, background noise 24/7. Your brain never rests while awake. So by the time you actually need focus, there's nothing left. Ever notice this? You're procrastinating all day, then suddenly get energy at night? That's not productivity. That's adrenaline. And it comes with a crash. One low stimulation block per day. No music, no videos, just you and one task. Even 25 minutes is enough. This trains your brain to feel calm energy again. Most people treat energy like motivation, random and unreliable, but energy has a rhythm. If you wake up, sit all day, eat randomly, and study whenever you feel like it, your body stays confused. Confused body equals tired mind. You don't need a perfect schedule. You need anchors. Just 3 things daily. Move your body early, even a short walk. Eat your first real meal with protein. Do one hard task before noon. That's it. No aesthetic routines. No 5 a.m. nonsense. Just structure. Let's talk about the emotional side. Sometimes you're tired because you're burnt out, not weak. School pressure, family expectations, comparing yourself to people online. That weight adds up, and when you don't deal with it, your body slows you down on purpose. That's not failure. That's a warning. If you needed to hear this, you're not broken. You're overloaded. And overload needs simplifying, not pushing harder. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Tonight, put your phone away 30 minutes before bed. Write down tomorrow's one priority. Tomorrow, delay phone use. Move a little focus once, deeply. Do that for 3 days. Not forever, just 3 days. You'll feel the difference. You're not tired because you're lazy, and because your energy is being stolen. Fix the leaks and your motivation comes back naturally. If this video helped even a little, hit like so it reaches someone who needs it too. And if you're trying to upgrade your habits, your focus, your life, subscribe. Let's level up together.